So there's a variety of genomic approaches that are becoming extremely relevant in immuno-oncology. Everything from looking at genomic instability, the microsatellite instability or mismatch repair deficiencies in that tumor agnostic approach, with the idea that that's a surrogate for the production of neoantigens which drive an immune response. Also tumor mutation burden, again looking across tumor types for the number of mutations in somatic mutations in the tumor, again being a surrogate for those mutations that would be relevant to driving an immune response. And I think lastly, looking at gene expression profiling. So in the first two examples, those are features of the tumor, but you can start to also look at features of the immune response to the tumor. So again, that's extremely important when we look at any biomarker, thinking and considering what's happening in the tumor, but also what's happening in the patient's immune system.
Oh, I think they're really going to be moving the field forward. So as example, as I had mentioned previously, this nanostring-based or the mRNA-based sequencing technologies, which actually tell us where what types of infiltrate, what types of cells have moved into the tumors, what is being active there, what is happening in that microenvironment is going to be key. And then additional to that is the understanding of what happens in circulating tumor DNA or RNA. As we can see, we can actually detect mutations from the tumor circulating. So those are going to actually help us to much more easily define a patient population.
I think it's going to have a huge impact on how we move forward. It's going to make it more personalized. For me, I think it's even more important coming from the ethnic minority. Because, for example, if you look at triple-negative breast cancer, it's found to be more common in Afro-Americans. So the genomic profiling will actually help us to understand diseases in all the races or for example, people from Japan, why do they have upper GI tumors? Why do Afro-Caribbeans have triple-negative breast cancer? So for me, it's going to have a huge impact on how we select this patient for what treatment.